Bonjour les enfants! Today in French with Lovely, we are gonna learn French alphabet, that is l'alphabet. And it's better to keep your pen, paper, everything ready because I'm gonna tell you the name of the letter, then sound of the letter, and later I'll give you example. And yes, time to time I'll give you some explanation as well. Okay, so on attack, let's get started. Okay, so the first letter is A. Yes, this is the name of the letter. That is A. And the sound of the letter? That is also A. Okay, like in English language we say A. In French we have A. And like in English language we say apple. A is the sound of the letter. But in this French language, letter A has the same sound, that is A. Just like ami. Ami means friend. And now next letter is B. B is the name of the letter. And the sound is, yes, sound is B. Just like bonjour means hello or good morning. And now the next letter is C. C is the name of the letter and it has two sounds. One is K, another one is S. Let me tell you that letter C in this word kaye, letter C is coming with letter A. That's why it is giving a sound of K. So that's why the word is kaye, that is notebook. And now see this. Here letter C is coming with letter E, means English letter I. Okay, in French we say E. So here letter C is coming with letter E. That's why it's giving a sound of S. And the pronunciation of this word is ciel, that is sky. Okay, so the next letter is D. D is the name of the letter and the sound is the. For example, désolé. It's not désolé, okay? It's désolé. Let me tell you, actually what happened in French language, there is no de kind of sound, okay? De n'existe pas en français, means de sound doesn't exist in French. So it is always the, right? So that's why example is désolé, not désolé.
And désolé means sorry.
Now let's move to the next letter and that is A. A is the name of the letter and the sound is again A, same sound A. Example, excusez-moi. Excusez-moi means excuse me. Okay, I hope you got it. Now let's switch to the next letter and that is letter F. It's quite easy because in English also it is F and in French also the same name of this letter is F and the sound is F. Just like fleur. Fleur, that is flowers. Now the next letter is, yes, it's not G. No. Okay, it is J. Yes, it's just opposite, you know. It's like J, not G. And letter J, you know, letter J is G, letter G is J. It's opposite, confusing, but it's okay. Let's do it. So it is letter J, and you know, again it has two sounds. One is J, another one is G. Okay, so here I have given you example of G sound. Like this is garçon. Garçon means boy. Now the next letter is, it's a kind of silent letter, very shy bacha, very shy letter. And why I'm saying shy? Because this letter is always silent. And what is the name of this letter? That is Ash. Ash is the name of letter H and it is always silent. Doesn't matter that it is coming in the beginning of a word or in the middle or end. It's always silent. So, example is hotel. It's not hotel, it's Hotel means letter ash is a silent letter here as well. So it is hotel means hotel. Now the next letter is it's not I. No. It is E. Okay, this is E. E is the name of the letter and the sound. Luckily, the sound is also E. That is image. Just like image means image or picture. Alright? And now next letter is it's not J. No. The way I told you, it's opposite. Okay? Letter G is J and letter J is G. It's opposite, huh? Just remember this way. So it is letter G, not J. And the sound is J. For example, jardin. Yes, it is jardin. It's not gardin. No. It is jardin means garden. And now we have letter Ka. Ka. It's letter Ka. And the sound is K. It's just like kiwi. Kiwi is just in English also it's kiwi. In French also it's kiwi. Super easy, isn't it? Now let's switch to the next letter that is L. And here, yes, L has the same name just like English language. We have L. And the sound is yes. Super facile. It's so easy. Guess. Yes, it is L. L is the sound of this letter, that is L. Okay. An example is lapin. Lapin, that is rabbit. So, next letter is letter M. M is the name of the letter and the sound is sound is super easy, that is M. Okay. For example, maison. Maison is house. Okay, I have a quick question. Why it's not maison? Why it is maison? Any idea? Yes. Okay, let me tell you that here in this case, letter S is coming between two vowels. So that's why the letter S, single S is coming between two vowels, okay? So here letter S will give a sound of Z, not S, okay? It's Z. That's why it is maison, not maison. Maison, alright? And now next letter is letter N. And the sound is N. And it's a very beautiful, very enjoyable festival name, that is Noel. Noel is Christmas. Jingle bells. So it is Noel. And how to say Merry Christmas? Yes, it is Joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël. Okay, now next letter is letter O. And the sound is same, that is O. For example, oncle. Oncle, that is uncle. Okay, and now we have letter P. P is the name of the letter and the sound is P. It's just like Paris, that is Paris. Do not pronounce it Paris, okay? No, that's not cool. Pronounce it like French people. It is Paris. Okay? Now we have letter Q. It's like Q. And mostly it comes with letter U, means you. Okay? This letter Q is a kind of, shy. Mostly it needs a company of another letter and especially best friend, that is U. So they both gives a sound of K together. Just like here, it is quatre, means four. Quatre, four. Okay. Now we have letter, this is the trickiest one, huh? Okay, so let's try. This is letter R. R. Because it's not proper K, it's not even H. It's like from the back of your throat. It's like H, H sort of, okay? It's like R. R. The sound is coming from back of your throat. Okay, that is R. All right, and that is the name of the letter R, and the sound is H, H, H sort of. It's a kind of throat sound. Okay, H. So like Pachi, the way we did Pachi. Similarly here, hob, hob, that is dress, or Pachi, that, or merci, that is H is coming in maxi also. R letter R is coming in maxi also. Okay. It will come with practice, huh? Don't worry. Don't bother much. Huh? Let's move to the next letter. And that is letter S. And the sound is also S. Okay. This is letter S. Sound is S. And we have example, that is savon. It is savon, that is soap. And now we have letter Te. It's not te or t. No. It is letter te. Yes, now again you see, it's not t, huh? Means this is again a hard sound. T. Hard sound, if I say, means, you try, huh? When you speak t, then your tongue rolls and touch your roof of the palate. That is your palate. That is the roof of your mouth. That is t, t. Okay, and that's the hard sound. But in French language is quite soft, huh? So we don't have these kind of hard letters. I mean, not hard letters, hard sounds like t or d. These kind of sounds are not there. That's why even if any French person will say, I don't understand, you know how it will say? It's like, I don't understand. Because d and t, these both sounds doesn't exist in French. So we say the and the. All right. So it is letter te and the sound is the. And can you read this word? Now you know very well. Letter te gives a sound of the. Letter a gives a sound of a. Letter b gives a sound of b. And letter L gives a sound of L. And last letter A is a silent letter. Actually, in French, usually last letters are silent, and mostly there are few letters which are absolutely silent, huh, whenever they will come at the end. Mostly few letters are always silent, and usually there are silent letters when they are coming at the end. And letter A is mostly silent, huh? So this one is, now I will read this word. Try. Yes, it is table. Okay, means table. Now let's go to the next letter, and that is, it's not U sort of. No, it is U. Means little bit E and then U. So it is like U. U. Okay, U is the name of the letter and the sound is also U. For example, urgence. Urgence means emergency. All right. Now we have next letter V. V is the name of the letter and the sound is V. For example, voiture, that is car. Okay, voiture, that is car. And now we have next letter, that is W. W means double and V means letter V, but it doesn't mean that always whenever you're writing you have to make V sort of, double V sort of. No, it's just the name of the letter. Okay, so W is the name of the letter and the sound is W. W. Okay. An example, actually in French we have very few words which starts from letter W. So I've given example of wagon. Wagon is just like English word wagon. All right. Now let's see next letter. And next letter name is X. X is the name of the letter. And the sound is, it has two sounds actually. One is X, X, half K and full S sort of. X, X. And another sound is Z, also Z. So here it is Z sound, like xerocopy. Xerocopy, that is photocopy. Okay, and now we have letter letter Y. Y is the name of the letter, and the sound is E. Okay, for example, yaourt. Yaourt. Yaourt means yogurt. And now we have last letter, and that is Z. 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 And that is Z. And the sound is Z. Sound is Z. Letter name is Z. An example is zebra. Zebra. That is zebra. Yay, yay! Congratulations on finishing the French alphabet. Now you are ready to tackle even more French. Keep practicing and soon you'll be reading and speaking with confidence. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Au revoir.